Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel English Manner Language Classes. In this video, we're gonna learn about the articles, kinds of articles, and how articles are used, their usage. So let us begin the very important topic in English language, that is the articles. Let's start. So the articles are basically of two types: indefinite article and definite article. Definite article constitutes the the word the, and this article is used before it can be used before a countable noun or uncountable noun, before a singular noun or plural noun, or the noun which has a vowel sound at the beginning, or a noun which begins with a consonant sound. So this definite article, that is the word the, it is used to specify a noun, to particularize a noun. It shows the particularity of a noun. So it's simply the use of the definite article makes a noun or a noun phrase definite or specific. Let's learn the detailed usage of definite article the. कहाँ पर हम इस definite article को यूज़ करते हैं, हम इसके रूल्स पढ़ेंगे डिटेल में कि कहाँ कहाँ इसको यूज़ किया जाता है. So definite article is used with a superlative degree of adjective. Superlative degree. As you know, an adjective has 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and the superlative. So we use the article the, definite article, with the superlative degree of adjective. Example: he is the best boy in the class. Best is the superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. Or you can say Raju is the tallest boy in the class. He is the most popular person in my town. She is the most beautiful girl in our area. Rahim is the poorest person of the village. So we use article the with superlative degree of adjective. Then the definite article is also used with parallel comparatives. That means when we use two comparative degrees in a sentence. For example, the higher we go, the cooler it is. Higher and cooler, these are the comparative degrees. So we use article the, definite article, before them. The more, the merrier. More is the comparative of much, and merrier is the comparative of merry. So we use definite article with them. Then another use of article the is before the adjective when the noun is understood. हम adjective के साथ इसको use करते हैं, तो noun को हम omit करते हैं उस वक्त, because noun is understood. For example, the poor always are always with us. The poor here means poor people, all poor people. The rich look down upon the poor. अमीर गरीबों से नफरत कर दे. The rich means whole community of rich people, and the poor means here all poor people. So here the adjective rich, it signifies the whole community of rich. So no need to use the noun here people, because it is understood when we use the definite article the with adjective. So the sense of noun is understood. The rich look down upon the poor. So poor is an adjective. Article the is used with it because it represents the whole community, whole class. Then another use of definite article is before the nouns which are repeated. When we use a noun repeatedly for the first time, we use the indefinite article. In this example, let us see, there was a girl in the class. जब हम पहली बार इसके बारे में बोलते हैं, there was a girl, ये she is a common girl, so we use the article a. Then we repeat, we say something more. The girl was wearing a black coat. So the girl, ये वही लड़की है, particular girl that was in the class. So when we repeat the noun, we have to use the definite article. For the first time, we use indefinite article. There was a girl, it can be any girl. Then we talk about the particular girl. In this sentence we talk the about the girl that was in the class. The girl was wearing a black coat. It is the girl that we saw in the class. That is why for the second time we used definite article with the girl. Another use of article the is, it is used before the religious groups or with the religious groups, names of religious groups and their holy books. For example, we say the Quran, the Muslims, the Bible, the Hindus, the Gita, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana. So these are the holy books. So we have to use the definite article before them. Another use of article there is before unique things, things that are of unique kind. For example, the sun, the earth, the moon, the sea, the sky. Always we have to use definite article with them. Then another use of article the is, we use the before musical instruments, names of musical instruments like the guitar, the flute, the violin. So when we use the names of musical instruments, we use also definite article with them. For example, he can play the guitar or he can play the flute. So these are the names of instruments and we have to use definite article before them. The is also used before the name of newspaper. Name of newspaper. Greater Kashmir is the local daily of Kashmir. कश्मीर में ये न्यूज़पेपर जो है निकलता है, पब्लिश होता है, तो इसके साथ हमने द यूज़ किया है. इसी तरह द हिंद, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. सो बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स ऑलवेज रिमेंबर we need to use definite article. Another use of definite article is before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers is the number that defines the order or position of a noun. For example, he was the first man to arrive. First man. So first it is the order, it is the number that denotes the order. So ordinal numbers also take definite articles with them. The ninth chapter of this book is very interesting. The ninth word, ninth is the ordinal number which you learn in the kinds of adjectives. In the previous lecture we discussed about the kinds of adjectives. There you will learn about the numeral adjectives, adjectives of number, and ordinal adjective is one of the kinds of adjectives of number. So when we use the ordinal number, we have to use definite article with it. The ninth chapter of this book is very interesting. So definite article is used with the word ninth, that is an ordinal number. Another use of definite article is before the names of historical buildings or monuments. For example, Taj Mahal is a monument, so it's having historical importance. You have to use the definite article with it. The Qutub Minar, the Gol Gumbaz, the Red Fort. So these always take definite article with them. So article the is also used before the names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the group of islands, for example the Andaman and Nicobar, deserts, the Sahara, the Thar, canals, the Suez Canal, gulfs, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, etc. So remember that whenever you mention the names of mountain ranges, group of islands, deserts, canals, gulfs, deserts, etc., you must use definite article with them. Then another use of article the is before the name of directions, the east, the west, the north, the south, and physical positions, the equator, the north pole, the south pole, the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere. So always these names take definite article with them. Then another use of article the is before when we use the noun and it is added by a relative clause. For example, the boy who wears a blue hat is my brother. यहाँ पर हमने ये नाउन यूज़ किया है, इसके आगे हमने डेफिनेट आर्टिकल लगाया इसलिए क्योंकि इसको फॉलो करता है relative clause. Relative clause is a clause that begins with a relative pronoun. The word who is a relative pronoun and the clause it starts is called as relative clause. So the combination is like noun plus relative clause. So before the noun we have to use the definite article. So some other uses of definite article are as the names of historical events. For example, the Independence Day, the Republic Day. So these are the historical days, days of historical importance. They also take definite article with them. Another use of article the is before the name of a community, nation or race. For example, the Jews, the Hindus, the Muslims, the Indians, the Chinese, the English. The English means people of England. The Chinese means people of China. The Indians means people of India. So whenever we mention the name of a community or a nation or a race, we have to use the definite article before them. Another use of article, the definite article, is before a proper noun when it is used as a common noun to indicate some special quality associated with that proper noun. Proper noun के सामने भी हम कभी definite article लगाते हैं कंपेयर करने के लिए. For example, Martin Luther King was described as the Gandhi of America. मार्टिन लूथर किंग की जो स्पेशलिटी थी उसको हम करते हैं एसोसिएट यहाँ पर गांधी के साथ, यानी गांधी वाज लाइक द मार्टिन लूथर किंग ऑफ अमेरिका, और यू कैन से मार्टिन लूथर किंग वाज डिस्क्राइब्ड एज द गांधी ऑफ अमेरिका. मार्टिन लूथर इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. देन वी यूज़ अनदर प्रॉपर नाउन गांधी. इसके आगे हमने डेफिनेट आर्टिकल लगाया because it is used here to indicate some special quality associated with that proper noun. Another use of definite article is before the plural names of countries. For example, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Irish Republic. So we use the United Arab Emirates. We use definite article the with them. Then another use of article the is with these words: one of, some of, both of, most of, plus the plus nouns. जब इनमें से कोई हमें यूज़ करना पड़े फिर उसके बाद हमें यूज़ करना है द, फिर नाउन. लाइक वन ऑफ द बॉयज़, some of the girls, both of the men, most of the students. So this is how we use the definite article in different situations. So remember all the rules. Then we will learn about the indefinite article. What are the uses of indefinite article? First of all, let's learn about the indefinite article. So indefinite article are basically a and an. The words a and an are called indefinite articles. They are used with both singular countable noun and units of uncountable noun. Specifically, article an is used with a vowel sound, not letter. यानी एन हम यूज़ करते हैं उस वर्ड के साथ दैट बिगिनस विद अ वॉवल साउंड. वॉवल लेटर कभी होता है लेकिन उसका साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट होता है. सो साउंड मैटर्स द मोस्ट. एन इज़ यूज विद अ वर्ड दैट बिगिनस विद अ वॉवल साउंड. इसी तरह जो आर्टिकल इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल है that is used with the word that begin with a consonant sound. Sometimes it can have the vowel letter but it yields the consonant sound. So we will see in detail where a is used and where an is used. A is used with consonant sound and we have to use a followed by the word that begins with a consonant sound. For example, a boy, a cat, a pen. With English vowels we sometimes sound consonant, यानी जो स्टार्ट तो होते हैं वॉवल लेटर से लेकिन इनका साउंड consonant consider किया जाता है. For example, this word starts with a vowel letter but it has a consonant sound. A European country. A European country. A European country. A one-eyed man. Here the word one begins with a vowel letter. The letter is vowel O, but the sound it produces is v sound. That is consonant sound. A one-eyed man. Though it begins with a vowel letter, but it produces a consonant sound, so it will take article with it. A eukaryotic cell. A eukaryotic cell also begins with a vowel letter E, but the sound here is eukaryotic, means is a consonant sound, y sound. A U, EWE, a U, a unicorn, a useful thing, a union. These words begin with vowel letters, but they produce vowel sounds, consonant sounds, so they take the article a with them. Similarly, indefinite article a is also used with the words what after the words what, quite, many, such, etc. Like what a short, many a things, such a fool. So these words, when these words are used after them, we use article a, that is indefinite article. Now let us see where indefinite article an is out. An is used with the words which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, an owl, an onion, etc. It is also used, an is also used before abbreviation which begins with consonant letters but have vowel sound. For example, an MLA. M at the beginning has a vowel sound, so we have to use the indefinite article an here. An MBBS. Letter M is a consonant but it has the sound M. EM sound M. So article an is to be used here. Similarly, MP begins with a consonant letter but the sound here is S sound at the beginning, that is a vowel sound. An MP. An LCD, here again the beginning sound is S sound, that is a vowel sound, so the article here we have to use is indefinite article an. So indefinite article an is also used with singular countable nouns starting with consonant letter but have vowel sound. For example, यानी जो स्टार्ट तो होते हैं consonant letter से लेकिन sound इनका vowel का है. For example, an honorable man. Honorable man begins with a consonant letter H. H is a consonant letter, but in this word H remains voiceless, it is silent, so we pronounce this word as honorable. So honorable, it has the vowel sound at the beginning, so we will use indefinite article an. Next example is our. Our here begins with a consonant letter H, but it remains silent in the word, so we have to use the article an hour. So this was about the usage of definite and indefinite articles. So now let us see where we have to omit the article. Omission of articles, where articles are not used. So some rules are there. Articles are not used before proper nouns. For example, we say his name is Ravi. We can't say his name is the Ravi. So before proper nouns, don't use the article. और प्लूरल नाउन्स के साथ भी हम आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, कोई भी आर्टिकल. इसी तरह बिफोर नेम्स ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स, जो मटेरियल नाउन्स है और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स है, इनके साथ भी आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, शुगर इज़ स्वीट, गोल्ड इज़ अ प्रेशियस मेटल. He's a man of wisdom. Honesty is the best policy. Virtue is its own reward. So these are the abstract nouns, names of qualities or names of substance materials. They don't take any article with them. So इनके साथ भी article use नहीं किया जाता है. Another rule is before the names of countries, cities, individual mountains or continents. Names of continents, उनके साथ भी article use नहीं कर सकते हम. एशिया, अफ्रीका, तो इनके साथ आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करना है. इसी तरह नेम्स ऑफ कंट्रीज़, फॉर एग्जांपल वी से इंडिया इज़ अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. वी कांट से एन इंडिया और द इंडिया इज़. इसी तरह सिटीज़ के साथ भी हमें, नेम्स ऑफ सिटीज़ के साथ भी हमें कोई आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करना है. या नेम्स ऑफ इंडिविजुअल माउंटेन रेंजेस जो है उनके साथ हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द यूज़ करते हैं, द हिमालयाज़. लेकिन जब सिंगल माउंटेन का नाम लेना हो, माउंट एवरेस्ट, तो इनके साथ हम आर्टिकल कोई यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. इसी तरह बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ मील्स, जैसे लेट्स हैव लंच, डिनर इज़ रेडी, तो इनके साथ भी नेम्स ऑफ मील्स दे डोंट टेक एनी आर्टिकल विद दम. बिफोर लैंग्वेजेस के साथ भी हम आर्टिकल यूज़ नहीं करते. सपोज वी से वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश, वी कांट से वी आर लर्निंग द इंग्लिश. अगर हमने लिखा द इंग्लिश, दैट मीन्स people of England. The English means people of England. So we will say we are learning English. हम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं. Kashmiri is a difficult language. Kashmiri means the language of Kashmir. If we put article the here, the Kashmiri, it becomes the Kashmiri nation, people of Kashmir. So remember these rules where we have to omit the article, where articles are not used. So this was all about the articles. We learned about definite article, indefinite article, then we learned about the usage of article the, where we have to use the definite article, where we have to use the indefinite article, and omission of articles we also discussed it here. So this is all about from the articles. It's a very important topic. I hope you have understood the today's topic, and if you liked this video, please like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe my channel also. Thank you very much.